Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how you can redirect a blockchain domain that you own to a traditional domain that you own if you bought your blockchain domains from Unstoppable Domains, because it's free. Now they're allowing you to do it for free, and after a few tries I understand it. And it's easier than I thought it would be. So I'm going to show you how it's done. I'm on a Mac. That's very important to tell you right from the start. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of my blockchain domains and I want to forward it. I want that blockchain domain to redirect people to one of my YouTube channels, which is Internet Education 101 YouTube channel. So I'm going to scroll down, and the one I'm going to set up to have it redirected to my YouTube channel is interneteducation.crypto. I already did Internet Education 101, and it created an interplanetary file system hash tag, but we'll get to that in a few moments. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Manage for interneteducation.crypto, and I want to go to Website. And I'm going to use the middle one, upload website files. Now I know it says create a website yourself and upload your website directly to IPFS. At first I thought I had to use the linking, but you got to use this one. And I'm going to show you right now why you have to. You sign into your Unstoppable domain, go to the Help Center, and you can find instructions on how to easily redirect a blockchain domain that you own to one of your traditional domains. I'm on a Mac. This is very important. I'm going to highlight this code right here. And in the application, I'm going to scroll down and click on Text Edit right here. And I'm going to open that up. I'm just going to give it a moment. There we go. I'm going to create, I'm going to replace it. I'm going to click on this. I don't know why I did that. Let's do it again. I'm going to start a new one. I thought maybe I can do something else. And I'm going to paste that code into this text edit field. But you got to make sure you go on top here. Oh, I'm sorry, I don't have that in the screen. But if you go underneath Format on your Mac computer, and I'm on a computer that's 12 years old, just so you know, guys. You want to make rich text? No. You want to go to the text edit. You want to click on text edit at the top left. Preferences. You want to set it for plain text because it automatically goes to rich text. You don't want that. You want plain text. You have to have that, okay? Underneath, you click on text edit, click on preferences, and then tap on plain text, and you're all set. It's got to be saved in that format. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to minimize that. I'm going to highlight my YouTube URL, and I'm going to your website here, delete it, paste that there. And underneath website description here, I'm going to highlight it, delete it, learn how to use the web to earn income. I'm not going to use any other, I'll say subscribe to Internet Education 101 YouTube channel. To learn using free information. That's fair. It's all free, what I share there. And now I'm going to save it. You get these instructions here. And when I save it, see, it says right here, you got to save it as plain text. Very important. I'm going to save it as index.html. I'm going to click on File, Save. .html. I'm going to leave it where? Underneath text edit in the iCloud. I leave this and I uncheck this. If no extension is provided, use txt. You don't want that. Our extension is HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. It's a language. Yes, it already exists, but that's okay. You want to replace it all the time. Like I'm going to redirect 124 blockchain domains. So I just want to go through this motion until it gets on the blockchain, and then I could redirect the next one. I hope that makes sense. I'm going to replace it. You see how this didn't stay index.html, so I'm going to tap it because that's very important. You have to do that. And then I'm going to click enter or return, and it saves it. Okay. Now, they tell me to test it. I'm going to open up the Finder, and I'm going to go to, oh, this changed already? Dropbox, recents. Okay, it moved on me. Hold on one moment. Okay, right here. These two right here. So what I'm going to do is index.html. Open with, I'm in Firefox, I'll open up with Firefox. Give it a moment. That one's wrong. And I want to show you this because that confused me. What you want to do is, you want to open up the Finder, and you want to use the one that's blank. I'm afraid to delete this because I had a problem. I'm getting through it. So I'm going to highlight this one, right click. It's fetching it, open it up in Firefox, and it should redirect me to my Internet Education 101 YouTube channel. And it is. That means it works. Everything's in working order. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to redirect Internet Education Crypto. Maybe I don't have to, okay. Upload website files. I'm going to click upload. Now it'll open up. I'm getting through it. I'm afraid to use that. I'm going to go back to recents because I know it works there. And you see right here. Did I do it right? Oh gosh. I'm going to open up the Finder again. This is good to show you. Without the writing on it. Without the writing. Okay, let me do it again. Upload. Recent. That's where it's placing it. Remember, I'm on a computer that's 12 years old. I'm going to open it. Still working. And you see how it places it here? One file selected. One file selected. So what you want to do is you want to click on Launch Website. Want to give it a moment. This is good to show you because sometimes you got to do it twice. Upload website files. I don't know why I had to do this before twice, but I got through it. There we go. I'm going to launch website. Yep. MetaMask. MetaMask pops up. Now watch. I was getting confused because I thought it was charging me. I'm signing it. There's always a different code every time you sign it. Yes, I signed it already. See, it makes me do it twice. See? Pending changes. Track progress. Because it might show, at MetaMask, it might show you that you're going to be charged. Like I use this just to mess around with. It's not going to move now. And it makes it seem like they're going to charge you money. No. This is what happens when you see pending changes. That means it's going on the blockchain. They're listing it on the blockchain. You get it? You know, this is all open information. They're listing it on the blockchain. Now, I'm going to track the progress. I'm going to open it up in another link. See how it says pending? Internet education.crypto. I did this one today, just a little bit earlier at 3:26 p.m. Internet Education 101. It redirected. It took like 5 minutes, but they're allowing you to do it for free. So when people visit interneteducation.crypto on the global web, they're going to be redirected to my Internet Education 101 YouTube channel. You get it? I hope this helped you learn how to do that. I thought I was doing it wrong in the beginning. No, I got confused, but you know, you got to do it to learn it. I got frustrated, but it was worth it. I'm going to forward all my domains to my blockchain domains to a traditional domain. And you don't need to own the website. I'm using YouTube. I'm redirecting that domain to a YouTube channel. That's huge. Huge. Okay, guys. See you soon. Bye.